Can we play YouTube videos on TikTok Live? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can play YouTube videos on TikTok Live. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is, of course, open up your TikTok. Make sure that your TikTok is updated to its latest version. And after you're on TikTok, tap on this plus icon on the bottom to start your live. After you're on this page right here, on the bottom you should find an option that says live. Head over there. So it should look something like this. So after you're on the live option, you will see this option that says go live, device camera and mobile gaming. Now the only way that you can share your screen on TikTok Live is by tapping on mobile gaming. But even after you do that, you will only be able to share your game, because you will need to select a game before you start sharing your screen. So yeah, that is the only way you can share your screen on TikTok. Other than that, if you want to play YouTube videos, all you can do is turn on your camera, go to live, and then in another screen or another device play YouTube and just show it. And yeah, that is basically it. I hope this answers your question, that you cannot actually play or share screen of YouTube videos on TikTok Live. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.